He is an American politician who served as the 47th Vice President of US in the Obama administration from 2009 to 2017. He became the Democratic nominee for the 2020 US presidential election. His son named Hunter Biden. His son is an American lawyer and investment advisor. He is a founding partner of investment and advisory firm Rosemont Seneca Partners. His wife Jill Biden. His wife is an American educator who was Second Lady of the US from 2009 to 2017. His son Beau Biden. His son was an American politician, lawyer, and officer in the Army Judge Advocate. His former spouse, Nelia Hunter. Former spouse was an American educator. His daughter named Ashley Biden. Ashley is an American social worker, activist, philanthropist, and the fashion designer. He had a daughter named Naomi. Granddaughter. His father named Joseph Biden Sr. His father was died in 2002. He has two brothers. His brother named Francis Biden. His mother named Catherine. His mother was died in 2010. His brother named James Biden. He had 3 children with his first wife. His sister Valeria Biden. He has an estimated net worth of $9 million. He was born on November 20, 1942. The oldest child in the Catholic family, he had a sister and 2 brothers. Jean was of Irish descent, with roots traced variously to the country Louth and the country Londonderry. Joseph Sr.'s parents, Mary and Joseph, an oil businessman from the Baltimore, Maryland, were of English, French and Irish descent. His father was initially wealthy but had suffered several financial setbacks by the time Biden was born. Beginning in the 1953, The family lived for several years in the apartment in the Calimon, then moved to the house in the Wellington. Joe Biden Sr. later became a successful used car salesman, maintaining the family's middle-class lifestyle. Biden was a standout halfback and the wide receiver on the high school football team. He also played baseball. A poor student but a natural leader, he was class president in his junior and the senior years. He graduated in the 1961. At the University of Delaware in the Neva, Biden briefly played freshman football and earned a Bachelor of Arts degree in 1965 with a double major in the history, political science and a minor in English. He had a C average and was ranked 506th in his class of 688. He does not drink alcohol because he has said, "There are enough alcoholics in my family." He was re-elected to the Senate 6 times and was the fourth most senior senator when he resigned to serve as Barack Obama's vice president after they won the 2008 presidential election. He is the Democratic presidential nominee for the 2020 election, running against Donald Trump. On August 11, he announced US Senator Kamala Harris of California as his running mate. In 1973, he was sworn in as a senator. He was only 30 years old, which made him the sixth youngest senator to ever hold office. He married Jill Biden 5 years after his first wife passed away.